A Nopon caravan. It's under attack from a pack of monsters.
I could have told you that. Come on, Noah.
Yeah!
Enemy's broken away from me.
Gracious goods, that was close one. If not for Eno, Caravan would be bittersweet memory by now.
No trouble. Just happy everyone's still fine. Pleased to take good care on the ongoing.
Only if Eno drop by Caravan of Cheerios soon. We'll offer special Bacon Savers discount, promise.
Excuse Eno? Eno just wanted to ask if not too much bother? Was it perhaps that it was friends that helped, help those Nopon?
Right. We happened to be passing by and saw you all in trouble, so...
Oh, knew it! Courage to thwack wicked monsters! To offer aid to total stranger fun! Humans like friends are very reason for inventing word hero fun, or whatever is human equivalent. Moved beyond limits of expression. Cannot possibly give voice to such violent, overpowering emotion as feeling!
That seems a little dramatic. All we did was help you out in a scrap.
Well, all it means is that we did well to give her assistance.
By the way, your outfit looks quite unusual. Which side are you affiliated with?
What is meaning of affiliated, please?
Let's try a different tack. Are those Nopon from before your friends? Judging by their manner of speech, I would surmise that they were already previously familiar with you.
Affirmatory! All Nopon who live wild and free, count each and every one as friend! And with good reason. Gained double name by fight for universal Nopon love and peace! Is champion of all Nopon kind!
Well, Sparks. That sounds, Brill? Yeah, let's go with Brill. So what you're saying is, the reason you helped those Nopon from earlier is because you see yourself as their champion?
Correct! We're Sooth and Dee Doodle! That is why must restore self to previous strength so can accomplish duty which Grandmaster Pon gave to... Oh, snap crackers!
What's the matter?
Was just on verge of forgetting. Came here in search of High Ether.
High Ether? What's that?
Well, it basically on hunt for scavengeables. Must therefore hurry up and get on with search and retrieval.
You're going to search this place? All alone?
This area's teeming with dangerous monsters. Any chance we can offer you a hand?
Meh? Sorry, did hear right? Friend proposed to help for second time?
Huh? Yes, I suppose I did.
No way! This is completely unprecedented! Friends concern selves with well-being of not only Nopon, but even Blabber of utterly gasted. Gob thoroughly smacked. Lack capability to show deserved amount of proper respect.
I'm already over our shtick.
Well, then. Pleased to be working with you. Shall we just call you Eno? Is that all right?
Shuck! But not even introduced self yet. How friend no name of Eno?
This girl's got a lot going on, huh? On the outside and in as well.
Can you pinpoint where the high ether is, Eno?
Topographical info update.
Readings from hereabouts. Must be somewhere nearby for definite.
We've made some new friends. We've made some new friends. Oh, so that's how they're doing.
I wonder what's around here.
Hey, what's that shiny thing?
Ether sphere. And high ether that Eno's searching for contained within inside.
Well, we can't get near it like this. We'll have to take care of the monsters round here first.
Well, Eno, are you ready?
Eno was created ready!
Right on. Let's make it quick then, yeah?
Don't just assume they're pushovers. That was spectacular.
You're all thinking. We're unstoppable with you around, Senna.
It's ether, all right, exposed to the surface. Looks similar to a regular ether channel, but the energy density is off the charts.
I suppose we could harvest the energy, rather this high ether into an ether cylinder as normal? Maybe. Want me to take a stab?
No! Cease and desist!
What's wrong, Eno?
Cannot harvest high ether with baseline cylinder? Are friends kidding? Would easily overflow capacity and cause vessel to rupture with extreme explosivity!
Whoa, are you serious? Close call.
What? You're not actually in a hurry to get your wings blown off then?
Lance, I beg of you, occupational safety is no joking matter.
Is there something else we could use then?
Eno have just the ticket. Can use this. For to harvest high ether safely, can use this here HD Ether Cylinder Plus. Incidentally, HD stand for Handy Dandy.
Handy dandy. Okay.
I guess it does suggest some improvement on the classic ether cylinder design.
Indeed, and its simplicity belies a high degree of efficacy bestowed by the added refinements.
Well then, no time like present. Friend can go ahead and collect high ether now.
Huh? You want me to do it?
Is very rare chance for opportunity. Eno do not mind letting Noah do honors. Please, be guest of Eno.
It's definitely not going to explode, is it?
Everything fine. HD Ether Cylinder Plus come with Eno-approved seal of quality. So please to place trust in.
All right then. You only live once. Let's give this a go.
Procedure same as usual. Go on, schmuck it all up. Procedure same as usual. Go on, schmuck it all up.
The next ether sphere should be here, I believe.
That seems to have done it. Will this do?
It perfect! 10 out of 5 stars, no notes! Time to deposit high ether without further delay!
Huh? Please, go ahead. What the?
Wow. That hit all the right spots. Did she just drink the cylinder?
Please tell me I hallucinated that.
Eno, what did you just do?
Oh! Meh! Did Eno forget to explain? Eno feeling mortified. High ether energy source for powering functions of Eno!
So, is that good?
Easier to show than explain, so please allow Eno to demonstrate!
All right, let's give it a go.
Eno feeling strong! Look! Snippity snap and ta-da! Capabilities of Eno power up greatly!
Oh, that is pretty impressive. No, hold your ponios! That's impossible!
This is all highly irregular. What in the world are you? Really?
Friend finally asked right question! Eno is creation of Nopon, legendary Grandmaster Thusu, final bestest and most strongest of all artificial blade!
Huh? Wait, blade? You mean like our blades? The ones we fight with?
You what? This is making less sense by the minute.
You're saying you're an anthropomorphic blade?
Is that it? So she's actually a human blade? That's fishy. Real fishy.
No, please hang fire! Eno not have fishy bone in entire body! Grandmaster Thusu say self, and he giga renowned crafts genius! Eno created for purpose of bring about peace and harmony for all Nopon throughout world! Eno artificial blade! Meh. Well, in truth, he also say Eno must not get involved in affairs of humans. Although Eno have no intention of hurting friends, would not wish Dinsia's toast on.
Of course.
Huh?
I mean, I still don't really understand it. This artificial blade business. Still, one thing's abundantly clear. Earlier, well before we ever turned up, you were protecting the Nopon caravan. You fought for them, and you did it all by yourself. That takes real courage. Seeing that convinced me. I believe what you said, Eno. What's this?
Oh, wow. Nice get up.
Now Eno understand.
What?
Friend Noah, your destined driver of Eno.
Your driver?
Same clothes as Eno, and same weapon too. This proof cannot be mistaken. Friend is driver of Eno.
Wait, slow down. Can you explain what you mean when you say driver?
More than happy to. Definition of driver is... human person who fight by side of Ino. That's it? Oh, but that's very vitally crucial. Only driver can draw out bestest, truest power of blade. Ino want to get stronger and stronger for Nopon peace and happiness.
Okay, let's all take a deep breath now. That's not really what this means. It's actually... well... oh, how should I explain this? There's a little more to it than what you're thinking.
Actually, if Ino may, Ino always thought if Ino get driver, Ino decided in deepest corner of heart. Ino would ask to call driver Master Pon. Therefore, Ino would love nothing more than to be permitted to address friend as Master Pon.
Noah, if you were gonna say something, you should probably say it now, or else the ship will sail. Know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah, but...
You said you trusted her, didn't you? Seems like an open and shut case to me.
are we all fine with this? Ino, this driver of yours, is that like a partner of sorts?
That right! According to Grandmaster Von, drivers and blades were originally one in body and soul!
Got it. Well, look, I'm not sure if I can be all of that to you and meet all your expectations. But if you'll have me, I'll be your driver.
Truly? Really, very truly?
Yeah, truly. You're one of us now, Ino.
Yes! Master Von! For all Nopon that inhabit world, Ino and friends will fight good fight!
I feel like I should say, just for the record, our objective is not strictly to go around getting random Nopon out of trouble.
Is not?
Come to think of it, we never did introduce ourselves, did we? We might not have.
Right. Then I guess maybe we should get started on that.
Artificial Blade Nino! Ready for adventure!
the world.
I suggest we take a break.
I see some relations have changed. Now, what was it we needed?